have over there? Look at this. Those squeezes. Hello, Leia. How are you? Are you ready today for a big surprise? So what do we have here? Look at this. We have a big box, the Amazon box surprise. So let's open. What's inside? Open for me. Can you see? Do you need help? Oh, wow. Let's see what it is inside. Can you try to open this one? You don't know? Let me open it. Whoa. What is that? Yes, it's like some squeezes thing. Is Happy Tutula. Let's see, can you open this one to see what it is? And has a bag full of little squeeze animals and other things too. Wow, it's a little bag. Look at that, it's a little bag. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna open it. Hey, Leia, let's open this one. This is a little bag. Let's open this one. Can you see if you can open? Need your help? Let's see. Maybe I'll help you. Over this. To open has different kind of animals. I'm gonna take everything. They come with 60 total. So we're gonna have to open each one. Can you see if you can open each one? And show to me what it is. Pink dolphin. So can you try to open this one too? Go ahead. What is this now, Leia? Oh, it is a little fish, a yellow fish. So we put inside the bag now. Whoa, can you show me? Here's a dog, it's a white little dog. Can you put inside the baggie? So let me help you to open. Wait. I'll give it to you and you take it off. Here you go. What is? It's a dinosaur, right?
No, it's a horse.
I'm not sure. What is this one? It's looking like a little, do you think it's this one? Look at the penguin, pink penguin. Okay. They have a few ones that look like the same. Look at this, how cute it is, this one. It's a little pinky bear. There's another pink dolphin. Yes, has two wings now. Oh. Look how cool it is, guys.
Wow.
Here's a little dog pound. Yes, it is. Yes. Wow, what it is this? Oh, it's a froggy. Froggy. Come on, it's a green froggy. And has to be one froggy on this one. It's still cool. Look at this, another froggy. Another froggy. Let's find everything that there is here. So, I have another doggy. Yes, what have you there? Many animals, right? So let's open another one here. Let's see what it is. I am not sure what it is. I'm gonna open this one. Whoa, it's another doggy. Look at this, Leia. Oh, so cute. So now, wow, look at this little kitty, little cat. Look at that. Put inside the bag. I have another one to open. Oh my god, it's a dinosaur. It's a little dinosaur. We have another one. It is a dolphin. Let's see what else we have here. She has 3 dolphins. That's right. So let's see what else do we have here, Leia. Looking like here a dragon. Yes, look like a dragon. It is there. And look at this one. It's a dinosaur, pink dinosaur. Oh, this is a hippo. Yes, that it is really a hippo. Well, we have few ones hippo here. There's a blind box, so that looks like it for me. This other one looks like a dinosaur too, right? Looks like a dinosaur. Wow, let's see what we have more here. Looks like it. Another fish. Another fish for her. See something different here now. Oh, look at this. Let's open this.
It's a bird.
It is a bird. Do you think it's a bird? Yeah, she's right. It is a bird. And let's see what it is. This one. We still have a lot. So, I'm not sure which is the one. Which one do you think it is? Oh, it's a head of an elephant. Look at this. It's an elephant. Yeah. And which one is this one now? Looks like a little cat. Looking like a little cat. Yes, I'm gonna open for you. Look what I have for you now. Look how cool it is this. I'm gonna show you guys. Take it off this. Look, it's a turtle. Little turtle. One. We're gonna open. Which one is this? Look like here. Crocodile. You're right. So there you go. Hey, I have another one. Maybe he's chewing. Another crocodile. And the color is blue. And what else do we have in here? Looks like a little pig. Well, let's see. Did the pig come out? Look, it's a pink pig. Pink pig. That's true. That is nice. This one, I think we already took this one, but I'm not sure. Okay. This one looks like the penguin, right? Or maybe it is. I don't think it's a penguin. It's an otter. Looks like an otter. Are you sure? I'm not sure. Let's see. This one looks like a penguin. This one's the penguin. Yes, I think so. Yeah, this is a pink penguin. Pinky penguin. Pinky penguin. Look at this one, it's another penguin. So two penguins. What else do we have here? Yes, looks like a polar bear that I have here. Let's see, guys, what it is. Don't you think so? Looks like a little polar bear. It is. Polar bear. Let's see which one is this one now. Looks like a koala. I'm not sure what it is. Now I know which one is this one. Everybody probably knowing how. Which one is this? It's a snail. It's a snail. she won. It is this one. We're almost done. Which one is this one? It is a dinosaur. And this one too. It is a dinosaur. Whoops! A pink dinosaur just fell. Okay. Else, guys, we have it. Wow, it's a white dog.
Doggy.
Yeah. I'm so excited about it. This looks like a little cat. She's a little cat. She's very excited about it. So many to play. This really stretch a lot. This looks like a little worm, but it's kind of cute, like pink, purplish color. For the one, right? We had the little palm, dog palm before. He's so stretchy. And we have a last one. That looks like a bunny for me. Pinkish reddish bunny. Hey Leia, let's see what you have inside the bag. Can you put everything for me? So many animals, right? Tell me. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Wow, Leia, let's put them together to see how many we have, okay? Wow, Leia, how many toys do you have? Look at those guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Whoa! Okay, now a lot of those squeezes for you play and share with your sister, who today is sleeping again. So do you like it? You enjoy it? So we can start to put it back in the bag. You didn't forget. Oh, you forgot the shoe here. That's what's missing. Look at this. She forgot the chew. So it's not 58, it's actually 60. So that's the 59 and the 60. What do you know? I do one, honey. So she can put it inside. She's having fun. She's gonna play a lot. She's really loving the little squeezes on this. It's cool. Very cool. So you are really having fun over there. What is that? Is a worm? It is a worm? Wow, it's nice, huh? This is a kitty cat. They are twins? Can I see it? Show me. Show me. Oh, look at this little baby. This little chubby cat. It's a cute cat, huh? What else? The cat eat the fish. That's true. Cat eat the fish. Oh yeah, he's eating the fish. The fish is dead. Oh, the fish, no, you just want to eat it. That's why my brother gonna eat you. Hi. So 2 fishes now, they are eating the fish. Okay, they're happy now. The belly is full. That's so fun. I like it. It's so this?
Hey, what's this?
Look, it has another cat. Ooh, this cat fell off. There's another cat over there. It has a doggy too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yum,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
yum, yum, yum.
Oh, this cat is also eating the fish. They're all sleeping? Okay. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, until next video.
A nice video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.